Now that we have a workspace, I'll show you a few things that are here for just immediate playback. The nice thing about this is that it starts and stops each track, and you can set audio levels too if you have a track that's a little louder than others or something like that. So at the bottom left, we have either the edit view or show. Right now they don't look very different, but if I have something highlighted and I go to the edit view, you'll see I have a lot of options down here to play with. And if I'm running the show, I don't want everyone seeing that. I don't want to accidentally click something, so I just go show mode, and I can go full screen, and it's black too, so the screen doesn't glow if you're in a space where that might be an issue. You don't have some glowing screen in the middle of your sound booth or wherever you are. On the bottom right, we have some other features here. The little circle sun gear thing. This is really helpful when you are hooking up to a sound system or something else. You need to make sure your output is in the right place. Right now, mine is MacBook Pro speakers. If I plug this into the audio jack in my classroom, I have to go in and change it. And it'll, of course, pop up if you have something plugged in. Right now it's fine because I'm just working on it. It will play out of my speakers. But this is a place you definitely want to go to if you are plugging it into a sound system at some point. Otherwise, every cue will end up as a big red X and you can't play them. The next thing is the list carts and active cues. These are really your playback features for just controlling it, like if you're running a rehearsal. So if I have Once Upon a Time highlighted and I hit the space bar or the go button, it starts playing. Unlike the music app or something else, if I hit the space bar, it does not stop the space bar or go, just activates the next cue. So if I hit the space bar for this and again, they all start running together and creates a huge mess, and I've done that a zillion times because we're all kind of used to pressing the space bar to start and stop. That doesn't work with this. So normalize having this sidebar open, especially if you have a student running it and things might go wrong. You can press go or space bar, but then over on the right side you have either stop, which fully stops the track and resets it at the beginning, or you can just pause it where it's at. So just to know that is a really helpful thing there.